On November 2nd, 2024, Teel Auctions will auction this rare 2004 London taxi with only 42,372 miles on the odometer, a low-mileage find for a vehicle of its kind. This model is one of just 200 manufactured for sale in the US, making it a collector's item with both iconic and practical appeal. Its Burberry Edition Interior adds a touch of luxury, while the seating configuration includes 2 fixed seats and 2 rear-facing folding seats, which are ideal for urban transport. Comfort is prioritized with independent rear heat, AC and lighting, and a power handicap ramp enhances accessibility. Additional modern conveniences like power windows, automatic transmission, a 3-cylinder diesel engine, and an AM/FM CD stereo system ensure usability and comfort for both driver and passengers. The taxi also features a sliding partition for privacy and rides on 16-inch wheels for stability. With its distinctive design and limited availability, this vehicle could be perfect for collectors or those seeking an accessible vehicle.